Check out this 2008 186XT Stratos. 18 foot. It's white and blue. Comes with a swing tongue trailer. Minn Kota Edge trolley motor with 55-pound thrust. Do have an extra seat up there, storage compartments in the front. We literally just got it out of shrink wrap, so it will get cleaned up yet. Get the seats cleaned, get it all vacuumed out. There's a couple cracks in that middle seat there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Do have a live well in the center there. It's a big compartment. Two other compartments next to it. 90 horsepower Yamaha. Look at that skeg there. Nice little fishing boat, easy to trailer, fit in your garage. Does have a hummingbird, piranha fish finder. Stop in and check this one out.